Welcome to all ME2I student for the Unit 4 EDR lecture, Sectional Orthographic View. We are studying types of sections. That is, we have already seen the full section. Now we will deal with the half section. Here, in the half section, what is done here in the half section? That is, here it is shown the object, rectangular plate here. Here is the rectangular plate they are shown. On that is a hollow cylinder is placed. And in this plate, in this figure, they are shown only 1/4 part is removed and thrown away. This is the 1/4 part from the object is removed. Now, we are drawing the top view. We have to draw the top view of whole figure. That is two circles. That is top view of this rectangular plate is shown here. This is the top view of the rectangular plate. If I draw it here, this is the top view of the rectangular plate. These are the two circles. This is the front view. And this is the front view. This is top view and front view of whole object. Now the object is cut here. Now I show the section. That is, this is the section. From this much part of the object is removed. There are two cutting plane acting. One is this horizontal and this is perpendicular to this. Two cutting plane and this much part of the portion is removed. Then what will be the effect here? We will observe this part here. So these lines that are seen to the observer, so it is shown by dark line and common contact line. We have to remove here common contact line between these two parts. This is the central line. Now only section lines are shown on this face, on this surface. Here the section lines are not seen because this is part of the object. What I want to say that in the half section, what they have given, when the object is symmetrical about its center from outside as well as from inside, half sectional view is prepared to that of full section. It will show the outside as well as inside details of the object in one view. When two perpendicular cutting planes pass through the object on the plane of symmetry as shown here, only this part, there is no effect on the top view, only the imaginary cutting plane is shown and internal details we can obtain by the half section. Now the third type of section, that is offset section. Offset section here. Sometimes cutting plane is offsetted or bent to show the features which are not in continuous straight plane. Here the word straight plane is very much necessary. Refer the figure. Now here the figure is shown in the x direction. They are drawing the front view. Here they have shown the front view here. And from the top they have drawn the top view. Now this object imaginary cutting plane is acting here. That first cutting plane is acting at this point. Here they have shown the cutting plane acting here, and here they have given first cutting plane, second cutting plane and third cutting plane. They have covered whole part. They have to give the internal details of the whole part. If only one cutting plane is acting, the internal details of this slot will be missed. So in order to get the internal details of this slot also, they have tilted the cutting plane here. Again they have shifted at 90 degree here. Again they have taken the cut here of the whole object. How the cut is taken here, they have shown in this figure. That is, they have shown the internal details of the cylinder. They have shown the internal details of the both. That is slot. Now how they are shown in the top view. First the cutting plane is acting here. They have taken the top view. Again at the distance, the cutting plane is also acting here. In the full section, the cutting plane is acting only straight. Only one cutting plane is acting here. More than one cutting plane is acting here. And they have shown the internal details. Now, if I draw the orthographic view of this, I simply draw the orthographic projection of the front view here. Now, this is the plate, projection of the plate. I will draw dark. Here is a cylinder. This is the center line. This is a hole drilled throughout. And here is a slot. These are the center line. And this will be dotted line without cutting. When the cutting plane is acting, this will be converted into dark line. This will also converted into a dark line. Here is hollow, and common contact line between this is rubbed when the cutting plane is acting. Means, and a section line is shown here. How the changes will happen, that is, we have to remember the common contact line. This is most important. Common contact line is between, this is the cylinder. This is the part 1, this is the part 2. The common contact line between two parts is removed. And here we have converted, dotted into dark, and we have drawn the section line. Okay, thank you.